everybody, this is Gareth Cahoon Speaks back here with another video. I'd like you to hit the subscribe bar, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or hit the notification bell to be notified when I post my next post. Or otherwise you can look me up on my website, which is www.garethcahoon.co.uk. Or if you'd like to support the ministry, you can do so through PayPal, garethcahoon3@gmail.com. This one is about a Chinese-linked bioweapons lab that was found in the United States. This one goes back to 2022, but if you follow me on down, you'll see what happened with the Chinese-linked lab in the United States. Discovery of an illegally biology lab in California in late 2022 and early 2023. Authorities uncovered an unlicensed biological laboratory in Reedley, California, that has been operating without proper federal approval. It was linked to Chinese-owned companies and individuals and raised national security concerns. A report to the US Congress said the facility contained thousands of biological samples, including pathogens like HIV, tuberculosis, malaria, and others, and even genetically engineered mice intended for research. Federal investigators said the lab wasn't publicly regulated and shouldn't have been doing this work on US soil. Linked investigation in Las Vegas. In early February 2026, law enforcement executed a search at a home in Las Vegas after tips about a suspected biological lab inside. More than 1,000 samples and materials were taken for testing by the FBI, and local police investigators said the property owner had ties to the early Reedley lab case. Officials stressed there was no identified threat to the public, and the investigation is ongoing. Involvement in selling approved medical tests. Court records show that the companies and people connected to the Reedley facility were also accused of illegally manufacturing and distributing hundreds of thousands of unapproved COVID-19, HIV, pregnancy tests and other diagnostic test kits in the US and China while making false statements to its regulators. Related concerns from other cases. There have been separate legal cases involving alleged smuggling of biological samples into the US by foreign nationals. Examples: a fungus considered a potential agroterrorism pathogen, but those are distinct from the California lab case. So again, this is very worrying because, as we all know, that where COVID-19 came from, and having these labs on US soil should frighten the life out of you, because it frightened the life out of me. All they need is a spill from one of these labs to create another pandemic. And the fact that this is still going on and they're still doing gain-of-function research is a threat to humanity, not just to the United States. Shalom, Maranatha, and Hallelujah.